Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the complete Shopify Dawn theme customization tutorial. So if you want this design on your Dawn theme, well, I will show you on how you can do it. So first up, you just need to open your browser and then go to your Shopify store and make sure to sign in with your account. Now the first step here that we're going to do is basically go to your online store section. And then we're going to click on this online store and then go to your themes. So as you can see, the Dawn theme is your default theme and it should be added in your store. But if you don't find this theme right here, all you need to do is go to add theme and click on visit theme store. And then just have to wait for a few seconds here until it shows up. As you can see, the Shopify themes. Now what we're going to do is go to the search icon right there at the top right hand corner and then search for Dawn themes. So there you have it, and then just select that theme and you just have to click on the try theme button. All right, so once you added to your theme, for example here, I have just added this one. Now all you need to do here, just basically click on the customize button. So right there, so click on this one and then it will open up your website editor. Now before we start editing the Dawn theme, remember that it will not affect any theme that you have, including your default theme. All right, now we just have to customize it. You will now brought to this page, as you can see, and you can see my current Dawn theme. And if we scroll down here, you'll find that I do have some sample products right here. I have 4 sample products and they are not actually aligned. So later on, we will just edit this one. And as you can see at the left panel, we have here some different options like the header, we have the template, and we have the footer. Right? So those are the basic options here to make our theme look much better than it already is. So it will be depends on your branding, your color, the style that you want to add in your page. Okay, so first up, we're going to change the color and text. To do that, you just need to go to the theme settings right there, the left side of your screen with a gear icon. And then you'll find here some options like logo, colors, typography, layout, animation, buttons, and so on and so forth. All right, so we're going to select the colors right there at the top. So I'm going to change first the color schemes, and we have some default color schemes right here. So you can use the default color schemes, or if you want to add scheme, so as you can see, it can be applied to section throughout your online store, right? For example, I'm going to add a scheme. For example, here, I want different background and my color branding, as you can see here. So for example, I want it like this, like sky blue, all right? More lighter. Okay, and then I'm going to change the background gradient like this one. Okay, this one here. Now the text color, I will just let it right here. Okay, we can adjust the gradient color. There you have it. And then the text color, I want to select it white. Then the solid button background to white also. I think it's black. Outline button and shadow. So I will let that color. Now I just want to add another color scheme right here. And then the background will be like a lavender or like a violet, purple. All right. So just select this one, more darker maybe. And then the background gradient will have like a purple color. So there you have it. Okay. And then once done, go back and then the text will be like red or white. Basically, button background will be red. And then we'll let the color black right over here. So as you can see, we have just created scheme 6 and scheme 7. Now let me show you here on how you can add this scheme to your page. So for example, I want to add it to my announcement bar. As you can see here, the announcement bar, welcome to our store. Okay, what you're going to do, just select the announcement bar, and at the left side, you will find the scheme. Okay, you're going to click on the change button and change it to your color scheme that we have just created. So for example, in color or scheme 6, and as you can see, it is like pretty looks good, much better than the default color. And also here on the header, you can change also the scheme color or color scheme. Maybe I just put here purple. Oh, not that one. I'm going to change this into, I think, plain blue. Okay, it's good, but the font color is hiding, so we're going to change it to a plain color. Maybe it's a blue dark color, and there you have it. So as you can see, it pretty looks good, much better than the default color that we have earlier. And as you can see, the gradient. So you can actually add a different schemes to your page, different templates to make your page more interesting. So for example here, as you can see, we have just added the color scheme on my page. Now moving on, we're going to change the image banner right from here. So I'm going to click on the banner. And as you can see here, we have two options, first image, second image, and you can just click on select image or explore free images. So basically, if you select image, you can get image from your computer or get a free stock images from internet. Or basically here, for example, if you're going to select image, just add images or drag and drop your image from your computer. For example here, just drag and drop to add it to your banner. But in this sample, I'm going to select the explore free images. And from here, we have a lot of choices. So we have the staff favorites, shop local, women's fashion, fall, men's fashion, food, nature, coffee, work from home, accessories, shopping and sale, kids and babies, watches, like fitness, sports, beauty and makeup, phones, cases, work and productivity, and cities. So in this sample, I'm going to select this men's fashion here. And then once you click on this one, it will give you some free images that you can basically use to your store or your image banner. Now for this sample, I'm going to select this image here. So as you can see, it's pretty good. So I'm going to click on the select button right here at the bottom right or bottom left of your screen, basically. And here it goes. So as you can see, we have just added the image banner right from here. Now the next step that we're going to do is change the text style. Or first, we have to change the title right here, description or subheader. Basically, browse the latest products. I'm going to change that one. For example, I will going to use the AI to generate the heading. For example, I'm going to describe what this text is about. So for example, it's men's fashion. So you can change the tone right here. But in this case, I'm going to select expert and then click on the generate button. So we have some suggestion. The first one, elevate your style with men's fashion essentials. Discover the latest trends in men's fashion. Upgrade your wardrobe with high quality men's fashion. Okay, I'm going to select the second one. Discover the latest trends in men's fashion. So there you have it. Now, if you're going to change the heading size, basically you can just change the style, or if you want it, make it bold. So just select this one. So there you go. But in this case, I'm going to just let the design like this, right? You can also change the heading size if you want to make it larger or like medium size. Okay, so we're going to change the font style here. To change that, we're going to click on the gear icon right here at the left side of your screen. Now you will now brought to the theme settings. Now go to typography right here. So click on the drop down menu and then you will find the font style that you can choose from. All right, so I'm going to click on the change button. And for this example, I'm going to select the Caslon Bold. So All right, so scroll down and find the Caslon bold right here. So select this one and then click on select button here. All right, so as you can see, we have just changed it to Caslon bold and it much pretty looks good here. And I like the font style too. All right, so you can also change the color. You can change it by changing the color scheme of the font. So for example, go back to the colors and then you just need to select the color scheme that you want and it will automatically change the font color. Now I want to change the overlay opacity of the image. So I'm going to select the image here, scroll down. As you can see, it is 40%. So if you're going to change it to like 70%, as you can see, it will like more darker. So yeah, I don't like this one. I'm going to change it to 0%. It make it lighter. So for me, in my preference, I'm going to change it to 20%. So there you have it. So it looks like a unique and like elegant looking website here. Now the next step here, we're going to change the product style. So as you can see, my product design. So you just need to select this section. And then at the left side of your screen, you have the panel. So we're going to the product card. As you can see, the like the image ratio, if you want adapt to image, if you want to select portrait, as you can see, it's pretty much good. So if you want to like square, so like this one, and then we have also like image shape if you want default, or maybe arc. So there you have it. If you want blob or like a chevron left, we have also chevron right. We have the diamond. All right, we have the parallelogram. Oh, it's pretty much good. Maybe I'm going to change to round, but in this case, I will select default and I'm going to maybe select a portrait or square. Right, I like this one. Okay. Now, before we view this page, don't forget to click on the save button right there at the top right. So once you save this one here, so changes saved, go to the three dots and click on view. And this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's like more like colorful, elegant, and some unique design on your page. So you can customize your own preference here, own branding. So this is just an example. All right, so we're going to other pages. So for example, I'm going to my product page, and here you can basically change also the color scheme, right? So I'm going to change it right here. So yeah, it looks good. Now I'm going to change the style. So I think I should have changed it to like a plain color at the middle, right? So change it to like blue color. So there you have it. So you can customize other pages too. So you can just match it to your color branding on the website. Okay. Now what we can do now, we can also add some sections for your website. Okay, if we go back to your home page, now here if you click on the plus icon right here below the image banner, so you will find add section button. You can also find here at the left panel, but you can just click on the add section button here, and you can add some featured collection, featured product collection, rich text, image with text, image banner, or like slideshow, or like collage, multi-column, multi-row, collapsible content, email sign up, or contact form. Right, in this sample, I'm going to select this image with text right here. So there you have it. All right, then I'm going to change the image. I'm going to select one of the image right here. For example, right, this one, the second one. Then click on done. Okay, and then we're going to change the title and also the description using the AI. So basically, you can also change the color scheme that you want here. So for example, I'm going to select this Kim 6, right? So yeah, there you have it. So we have just created a nice page right here from the Shopify. All right, so we're going to save this one. Now we can now finalize it with or by going to the footer. So right here, you can just customize it. You can add some like a design email sign up like this, or you can just add a follow on shop, social media icons, country region selector, language selector, or you can add some payment methods right here, people, or you can add some policy links, spacing. We have the section padding or other stuff here. So there you have it. We have just completed the Shopify Dawn theme customization tutorial. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.